I was able to put a tight stop loss in, and I could look for decent Arista reward booty. Realized there was a lot of fake outs. A lot of times I'm losing 2, 3, 4 times in a row just to get the big winner, so I was stressing myself out. Sometimes I will overtrade because the 1 minute chart will give you a lot of signals, so I was stressing myself out, and then finally I got good enough to make money on 1 minute chart. However, it was still sort of stressful, so I switched to the 5 minute chart, and as soon as I switched to the 5 minute chart, I was more relaxed. The market was much clearer and I wasn't really stressing myself out. So you might have to change your time body, because it could be hurt you. Now 5 minute is usually a good time frame to use if you first starting off. It's not too fast and it's not too slow, so make sure you look at that, because that could actually hurt your trading. It could make your trading much harder, right? And the fourth thing that's probably making your trading harder right now is being impatient. A lot of you guys want to rush the process, and I'm right here to inform you that that can absolutely hurt your trading, because for the most part, if you are in a rush, you are not really thinking about how can I trade the right way, right? A lot of you guys possibly want to quit your job, I apprehend. But make sure you do it the right manner. Don't try to rush, right? Motion guys are literally thinking about the money, and it could be to a point where you are a profitable trader, you're making consistent game, but one day you decide to risk more on one particular trade, and next you wiped out all the profits. Let's say you had profits for 2 months, 3 months, you wiped out all those profits on one trade just because you're trying to speed up the process, and that can actually make your trading much harder if you're nervous on every single trade. Because you're sizing up too big, guys, that's going to make your trading much harder. So stop doing that, because a lot of you guys probably just want to be a millionaire real quick, trying to make a lot of money, trying to ball out. Relax. You have to understand, becoming a millionaire, it takes time. You guys can actually live a good life or extra 10,000s or 20,000s a month. If you can look me in my eye and tell me that you can't live good with an extra $20,000 a month, then you have a spending problem, because I'm telling you right now, you can live really good with an extra 20,000 a month. So I don't understand why some of you guys are trying to rush the process. I'm not telling you to not have big dreams, but you don't have to rush to process. Take it slow, day by day, month by month. Stop being impatient. And another thing, you look at your PL too much, your profit and loss, and your account size, and you're trying to look at it and say, all right, I'm not making money, or I'm not making enough money, right? And making a decision yourself by means of that. And I'm right here to tell you, forestall it. That's the wrong thing to do. The exceptional component to do is judge your whole journey, right? Look at your whole journey. I guarantee you're a better trader the first time you truly commenced to trade. I guarantee you was horrible. You probably did not know where to put your stop loss. You did not know how to draw your deliver and demand. You didn't even know how to draw support and resistance. But look at you now, 2 months from now, you know where to put your stop loss, you know how to draw supply in a menu, know how to look for support, resistance. You are a much better trader. That's how you judge yourself from when you started until now. I guarantee you can look to see that you are growing. You are growing as a trader. It doesn't matter if your trading account is not growing right now, eventually it will, if you hold going at that pace. So quite a few you guys aren't giving yourself credit. A lot of you guys are doing good. You're growing. You're simply looking to rush. You're impatient. So I want you guys to shift your mindset and just relax. You gets there, but don't let these matters get in the way, because if you permit these things get in the way, like being impatient, having doubt, having a messed up belief system, and using different time frames, that's messing up. If you have those things in a way, guess what? Trading is definitely going to be much harder. So again, yes, it might be hard in the beginning, but if you put it in the work, it's going to be worth it. Like for example, today I'm at hotel on vacation and I traded the market, and we look at my PL, I'm up $5,478. And I'm not home, right? I'm on holiday, so this is the next day on vacation. And if you look at the PLA month, 14K, so this is what I'm talking about, right? because it may give you decent rewards. So all I can say is just keep going. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. That I have to go back, enjoy my vacation, go out, swim a little bit, right, go in the pool, but I just want to share this with you guys today. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to learn how to take your training to the next level, just check the description below. You will see my trading program that can actually help you out. If you have any questions, comment below, because I try to answer all your guys' questions. Thanks a lot for your time and have a great day.